What's up, everybody? How y'all doing? This is Marshall. Today's video is gonna be a little bit special. We're gonna be unboxing shoes. These are probably my favorite pair of sneakers. They're Jordan 1s. I'm 19 and I've never owned a pair of Jordans. So I'm very excited about this. So yeah, let's hop in. All right, here we are. We got two camera angles. My setup is not like the best right now. So I'm trying to film this with the best I can, and I got my phone here, I think, and yeah, this is a webcam. So I'm trying to get kind of like a on top view, inside view, because I couldn't really do like my face or anything like that. So I don't have like the equipment for it, but hey, I'm trying. So let's get it open. Yeah, I ordered this like a week ago on StockX, and yeah, they weren't too expensive. It's like around 140. I didn't want to go too crazy on my first time, so yeah, let's put this aside. Seems like I got the box the wrong way. Oh. What is this? It's kind of like one of those things that you can pop, I think. But hey, let's put it to the side. Let's put the rocks on the bottom. Yeah, I think you can pop those or something like that. Alright, you guys should be looking at it from a good view. I'm not gonna be able to look at it like the same. So it comes with like the ticket with the purchase. It's like StockX. Yeah, it's showing like certain stuff. Alright. It's like a welcome. By now you already know how StockX is like marketplace for sneaker streetwear. Whatever. Like signed by the CEO with a little watch thing. Little thing, like a little card. Alright, it's not bad. Alright, grand reveal, boys. Let's do it. Let's do it. I don't know if you guys can see from that angle. Let me check real quick. Yeah, you guys can. Alright. Bet. Ooh. This boy's clean. I got the Air Jordan 1s, all white edition. I like it. Wow. These are beautiful, guys. These are so good. Sheesh. Yeah, these are very nice. They're like the triple white collection. Not collection, but it's like triple white, the version. And that's the little StockX logo thing, verified authenticity. That's pretty cool. Yeah, it comes with look, little sticker StockX. I gotta put that on my laptop. I love me those. Let's get this out the way. Check it out. I really didn't do a lot of research about the shoes or anything. I just saw them and I really liked them, so that's why I got them. They look really good. They're like completely white. That's something I like. I don't know. I might go crazy and like add my own style to it, like I don't know, with a marker or something. But I don't know. Maybe not. If I do, I'll make a video about it. But yeah, these are fire, boys. These are very, very good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know. I don't know what you say on an unboxing besides unboxing it, you know? But yeah, this looks pretty clean. They look really nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll probably be uploading another stream or another video. It depends. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like my content, subscribe and turn on notifications so you guys know when I go live and when I upload videos. So yeah, peace out, boys.